Question 14. Give a geographical explanation of the distribution of offshore oil reserves of the world. How are they different from the onshore occurrences of oil reserves? I think this is one question I have had so many students coming back to me asking for कि क्या लिखना था इसमें सर, ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा टेक्निकल हो गया. But then don't forget, this is the same technical question with everybody. We don't expect many of those petroleum engineers will be writing this examination to give some exclusive into this, but then they're asking for geographical, and then this can be written. आपने सबने लिखा है थोड़ा बहुत, and I think don't get too much worried about this nature of the question as very specialized as it is. Of course, इसका start करने के लिए you can go for temporal context as to how offshore drilling has come right from 1947 Gulf of Mexico से start हुआ था. You can have definitional basis, and also in the main body में I would like you to really use as much for these kind of questions where you've got lesser facts. Maps and diagram really make a lot of relevance. तो उनसे substantiate करके you can really make your answer look special, and then talk about those geographical distribution like Middle East का देख सकते हैं, Persian Gulf का लिख सकते हैं. You can also talk about North Sea, Europe में जैसे ये word Brent has come from UK, from that area only, and then West African ले सकते हैं, Atlantic margin का जो area है, that you can possibly take up, and इसको मैप में दिखा करके you can really make answer look very very special and well prepared. And then multiple maps बना सकते हैं, South and Southeast Asia का, नॉर्थ अमेरिका का, एंड देन दे कैन पॉसिबली बी देन डाइसेक्ट कर लेना. ऐसे क्वेश्चंस को डाइसेक्ट करने से काफ़ी आसान हो जाता है कि लोकेशन से कैसे ये ऑफशोर एंड ऑनशोर डिफरेंट हैं, फॉर्मेशन में कैसे ये डिफरेंट हैं, एक्सट्रैक्शन में प्रोसेस में कैसे डिफरेंट हैं, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में कैसे डिफरेंट हैं. एंड आई थिंक दिस कैन बी रियली रियली मेकिंग, इफ यू ब्रेक देम, a lot of facts suddenly emerges and you can write a beautiful answer. And then this diagram and map, they can really boost your quality of the answer. Conclude करने के लिए you can talk about that कि how the petroleum consumption is peaking or has peaked. Other dimensions क्या आ सकते हैं, forward looking क्या हो सकता है, KG basin जो इंडिया का है, मुंबई हाई का है, and then around that you can possibly close it so that you have got domestic context and difference has also been incorporated in this global question.